Hi friends, my name is Nikhilesh and today I'm going to teach you about the Snapseed tutorial, edit photo double exposure effect. And to do that you need to have an application, that is Snapseed. It's free on Google Play Store. You can download it. And now choose a photo which you want to edit. Okay, I'm choosing mine. A photo with a plain background would be fine, like you can take a picture to your wall, plain walls, or background should be plain. It would be much effective picture, so I'm choosing mine. After image is selected, you have to click on options and tools, where if you scroll down you will find an option called double exposure. Click on that and click on add image, and then you can select your image, whichever image you want to overlay on your first image, actual image. I'm choosing mine. Now place the image or adjust the image wherever you want, so that it can be visible on your actual photo. Try to adjust it. If you click on OK, you will see an option on the left hand side. It looks click on it and then view edits, then double exposure on the top. Go to edit. After selecting, you can just erase on your image. Just click on your image, you will see the effect, and try to adjust it. After saving the image, you have to download the application called PixArt. It's an application, photo editing application, just to get the fine lines, to clear the image which is exposed, which should be cleared. So to do that, I'm doing please click on these and select the image. Go to draw option, select the brush size, set it, and then yes, try to check the video. Select the color. I'm choosing white, and see right beside my right hand the exposed image. If you want to get the clear lines, you can zoom into the picture like I'm doing now. Please zoom into the picture, and then you can erase the lines. Please check it. See there on my head, I'm trying to erase the exposed picture. Check it. save the image to the gallery, and then boom, this is the before and after picture. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace.